YouTube, Nicole Snell from Outdoor Defense here. I am coming to you live from Lone Pine Lake here in Lone Pine, California. I just finished a section hike of the Nuumu Poyo trail, also known as the JMT, and we did 6 days and 6 nights on the trail from Onion Valley to Whitney Portal, summiting Mount Whitney. And so, I met a lot of PCT hikers along the way, and I got a really in-depth perspective of being a thru hiker, and something that I think I can bring more to the Outdoor Defense channel and to the outdoor community, since I now have more firsthand interactions with actual PCTers. Because I mostly do day hiking and backpacking, weekend backpacking and car camping, but not a lot of multi-day backpacking. And this is actually my first section hike. And so I was able to meet a lot of people, and I talked to some folks about what their concerns were. And now, as someone who's actually done it and been in the backcountry for days, miles away from ranger stations, miles away from getting to an exit, having to cross passes in order to exit the trail, I feel like I'm going to be able to bring so much more to you and to the Outdoor Defense community. Now, let me know in the comments if there's anything specifically that you'd like me to cover in future episodes of Outdoor Defense. And you can also find me on Coffee if you have any specific concerns, and you can schedule a one-on-one session with me. All right, happy trails, and I hope to see you soon on Outdoor Defense.